Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your Xiaomi Vacuum S12 wheel, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to organize your tools and parts. Start by turning off the vacuum and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial to avoid any accidents while working on the device. Next, carefully examine the wheel area to identify any visible debris or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the wheel assembly. There are typically 4 screws, so keep them in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the wheel assembly away from the main body of the vacuum. At this point, inspect the wheel for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any cracks or significant wear, it may be time for a replacement. However, if the wheel is just dirty, proceed to clean it using a soft cloth. This helps to ensure optimal performance. While you have the wheel assembly disassembled, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate inside the vacuum, affecting its efficiency. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the interior surfaces. If you find extensive buildup, consider using compressed air to blow out any stubborn particles. Now, let's focus on the wheel itself. If it seems to be stuck or not rolling smoothly, check for any obstructions in the axle. Sometimes hair or small debris can wrap around the axle, causing it to jam. Use your flathead screwdriver or pliers to gently remove any obstructions you find. After cleaning and inspecting, reattach the wheel assembly by aligning it properly with the main body of the vacuum. Replace the screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. If you're not comfortable performing this repair or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know all costs up front. Additionally, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process seamless. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once the assembly is back together, plug in your vacuum and test the wheel. It should rotate freely and without any resistance. If everything feels good, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Xiaomi Vacuum S12. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your vacuum can prolong its lifespan and improve performance. Make it a habit to clean the wheels and internal components periodically. If you run into any issues or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.